Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a night lamp. So let's see how to make it. First, I take a box and put in on a paper. Then put the paper inside the box with glue. Then I make two holes in the middle of the box and I take a LED lights and put of its wires in the middle of the box. Then I put glue on the back of it and attach the paper. Then I attach the paper to the bottom of the box. Now I take a switch and attach it to the right side of the box and attach the plus side of the light to the switch. Then I take a wire and connect it to the switch. Now I take a battery and put the plus part and minus part of the light in the place of the plus part and minus part of the battery. Now I take a plus part and a minus part. Then I make two holes from the back of the box. Now connecting the plus wire and minus wire to the battery. The battery can be charged by connecting the circuit with these two wires later. I am attaching the battery to the box with glue gun. I close the box using glue gun. Now I am cutting these two parts, closing it like this and closing it like this on the other side, this time cutting the switch area. Half the work is done. Now take a long box and take a 4 piece of paper. Now I put glue on the box and put the papers on it. Now putting paper on the upper part. Now I am sticking the long papers to the corner of the box. I take 4 pieces of black paper. Now I take a paper star and attach it to the cardboard and cut the cardboard. This time I drew more star in the shape of the paper. Now I am putting the papers in it. Now I will cut the stars. After then, I will cut them under the long box like the shapes of the lights. Then attach it. Now it is completely ready. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.